In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose the right hydroponic system for a first-time grower. I'll gladly explain some of the mistakes I've made and how to avoid them, and whether or not you should build your own system instead of purchasing one. This is the first system I purchased off of Amazon. It comes with everything you need except for a well. The system is very easy to put together. Unfortunately, it leaked a lot. The problem I had with this system, you can't get any artificial light on the lower two tiers, so only the plants on the top row flourish. This is the second system I purchased. This one is easy to get light on the entire platform. Unfortunately, the holes are too close together, so you can't grow any full-size plants. And again, it leaks a lot. Eventually, I got tired of the leaking and built my own system. This system, the plant sites are 8 to 10 inches apart. It allows me to grow any large head of lettuce and other vegetables. I will show this setup in a separate video. I have quite a seed selection, but lately I've been growing only the gourmet blend. I use 3 LED grow lights that I got from Ocean State Job Lot. I think they're about 12 bucks a piece. You could easily get away with 2 of them. These 2 small plants are artichokes, which I'll transplant outside as soon as they get a little larger. One of the major problems of hydroponic gardening is how to keep the light out of the plant sites and your water reservoir. This system in particular, and the first one that I bought, the plant pots are a little bit on the large size and they allow light in. These systems are cheap. You get what you pay for. As long as you're willing to clean it out every couple months, the algae builds up, it's fine. You can counteract the algae with hydrogen peroxide. I clean mine out about every 3 months. Besides having access to an abundance of fresh lettuces and herbs, the best thing about hydroponic gardening is it's almost set it and forget it. I have the pump and the lights on a timer. The only thing I have to do is check the pH and check the food, and for the $100 this system cost, it's well worth the amount of vegetables it grows. You can see the difference in size of these heads of lettuces. This is the much larger system that I built. I typically use the smaller system as a starter or nursery. I move the plants from the small one to the big one where they can grow full size. You are not going to find any lettuces like these at your farmer's market or food store. They're absolutely tender. You can pick them whenever you want. You'll have more lettuce than you know what to do with. Let us be friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to private message me. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.